The Tooltip Glossary Custom Taxonomies lets you define multiple categories in your WordPress site glossary. In this video, we will create a glossary for a pet adoption website which uses different taxonomies for breeds and pet sizes. To create a custom taxonomy, go to Admin Panel, CM Tooltip Glossary, Settings, and click on Tooltip Custom Categories. The options for each taxonomy are labels, both singular and plural, hierarchy, display on index page, which means shows on the glossary page, and display on single page, which means shows on the term pages. Our pet adoption site will have cats and dogs, so let's define the following taxonomies: pets, dogs, cats, and sizes. When creating or editing a term, you will now see the custom taxonomies meta boxes. Through them, you can assign as many custom taxonomies as necessary. We will state that the Persian cat is a small-sized pet. If we view the term page, we can see that the size taxonomy appears on the top of the term. If we want to change that, we can go back to the taxonomy setting and choose to display it on the bottom. Now, after the custom taxonomies are created, it will be listed in the settings bars to the left. Click on it to manage all the items. Now we can view the glossary and see that it has new options. For instance, we can choose to filter only dogs which have a medium size.